Bonjour, Paris. Welcome to the city of love, light, and endless charm, Paris. The very name conjures up images of iconic monuments like the Eiffel Tower and Notre Dame, charming cafes lining cobblestone streets, and an undeniable air of romance that seems to float through the air. The City of Lights has a way of captivating hearts and leaving a lasting impression on every traveler who sets foot in its enchanting streets. Join me as we embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Paris, discovering its iconic landmarks, hidden gems, and culinary treasures that make this city so unique. From the breathtaking views at the top of the Eiffel Tower, to a quiet, reflective stroll along the Seine, where the city's beauty is mirrored in the water, Paris offers something for everyone, no matter your interests or passions. Paris has a way of exceeding expectations and offering experiences that are nothing short of magical. So grab your beret, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready to fall in love with the City of Lights. Paris awaits, ready to enchant and inspire you at every turn. No trip to Paris is complete without experiencing its iconic landmarks. The city is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture, offering a unique blend of the old and the new. First on our list is the Eiffel Tower, the city's most recognizable symbol. Standing tall at 324 meters, it was originally constructed as a temporary exhibit for the 1889 World's Fair. Ascend to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of Paris. From this vantage point, you can see the city's most famous landmarks, including the Arc de Triomphe and the Seine River. For a truly magical experience, visit at night when the tower sparkles with thousands of twinkling lights. The light show, which occurs every hour on the hour, transforms the tower into a glittering spectacle. Next, we venture to the Louvre Museum, home to countless masterpieces, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa. The museum itself is a work of art, with its iconic glass pyramid entrance designed by I.M. Pei. Be prepared to be awestruck by the sheer scale and grandeur of this world-renowned museum. With over 35,000 works of art, it would take you days to see everything. Don't try to see everything at once. Focus on a few key exhibits that pique your interest. The Mona Lisa, the Venus de Milo, and the Winged Victory of Samothrace are must-sees. Our final stop takes us to the charming neighborhood of Montmartre, crowned by the magnificent Sacré-Cœur Basilica. This area has long been a haven for artists and bohemians. Climb to the top of the dome for stunning views of the city, stretching all the way to the Eiffel Tower. The climb is steep, but the panoramic view is well worth the effort. Then wander through the cobblestone streets, soaking up the bohemian atmosphere. The narrow lanes are filled with charming cafes, art studios, and boutiques. Be sure to catch a street performance or browse the artwork of local artists. Montmartre's vibrant street life and artistic heritage make it a must-visit destination in Paris. Beyond the iconic landmarks, Paris is a city brimming with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Tucked away on a quiet street in the Latin Quarter, you'll find Shakespeare & Company, a charming English bookstore with a rich literary history. Browse the shelves, attend a reading, or simply soak up the cozy atmosphere. Escape the city bustle with a leisurely stroll along Canal Saint-Martin. This picturesque canal is lined with trendy cafes, boutiques, and vibrant street art. Grab a coffee and croissant to go and enjoy a relaxing walk along the water's edge. For a pop of color, head to Rue Crémieux, a hidden street known for its charming pastel-colored houses. This pedestrian-only street is a photographer's dream, offering endless opportunities for capturing the perfect Instagram-worthy shot. Paris is a culinary paradise, offering a tantalizing array of flavors to satisfy every palate. No trip is complete without indulging in a classic French breakfast of freshly baked croissants and strong coffee. Head to a local boulangerie early in the morning for the best selection. For a quick and delicious lunch, grab a baguette sandwich from a street vendor or local shop. These sandwiches, filled with fresh ingredients like cheese, ham, or vegetables, are a Parisian staple. Pair your baguette with a side of French potato chips for a true taste of Parisian street food. In the evening, treat yourself to a memorable dining experience. Sample classic French dishes like escargot, duck confit, or ratatouille, all prepared with fresh, high-quality ingredients. For a casual and fun dining experience, try a traditional crêperie, where you can choose from a variety of sweet or savory crepes. Navigating the City of Lights. Getting around Paris is easy and efficient. thanks to its excellent public transportation system. The Paris Metro is a convenient and affordable way to reach most attractions. Purchase a Paris Visité travel pass for unlimited rides within a designated time frame. Enhance your Parisian experience with a scenic Seine River cruise. Admire the city's iconic landmarks from a different perspective, gliding past the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and other notable sites. Choose from daytime or evening cruises, each offering its own unique charm. To avoid the crowds and experience a different side of Paris, consider exploring early in the morning. Embracing the Parisian spirit, from cafes to flower markets. Embrace the Parisian art de vivre by spending time at a traditional cafe. Order a coffee or glass of wine and watch the world go by. Cafes are an integral part of Parisian culture, offering a place to relax, socialize, and soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. Indulge your senses at one of Paris's many flower markets. These markets are a feast for the eyes, bursting with colorful blooms, exotic plants, and fragrant herbs. Pick up a bouquet to brighten up your hotel room or purchase a unique souvenir. Learning a few basic French phrases can enhance your interactions with locals and enrich your overall experience. Paris on a budget, making the most of your euros. Paris doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of ways to experience the city's magic without overspending. Take advantage of free attractions like the Jardin du Luxembourg, the Tuileries Garden, and the outdoor sculptures at the Rodin Museum. Many museums offer free admission on certain days or evenings. Check the schedules in advance to plan your visits accordingly. Consider packing a picnic lunch to enjoy in one of Paris's many parks and gardens, saving money on restaurant meals. Look for affordable accommodations in charming neighborhoods outside the city center. These areas often offer a more local experience and are well connected to central Paris by public transportation. Consider staying in a hostel or Airbnb for a budget-friendly option. Seasonal delights, Paris in bloom and beyond. Paris is a city for all seasons, each offering its own unique charm. No matter the time of year, the City of Light has something special to offer, transforming with the changing seasons. Spring transforms the city into a floral wonderland, with parks and gardens bursting with colorful blooms. The air is filled with the sweet scent of flowers, and the city comes alive with vibrant colors. Stroll along the Champs-Élysées, admire the cherry blossoms in bloom, or enjoy a boat ride on the Seine River. The gentle breeze and the sight of cherry blossoms create a serene and picturesque atmosphere. Summer brings long, sunny days, perfect for exploring the city's outdoor attractions. The warm weather invites both locals and tourists to bask in the sun and enjoy the vibrant street life. Enjoy a picnic lunch by the Seine, cool off with a gelato, or attend an open-air concert or film screening. The city buzzes with energy, offering countless activities to make the most of the summer days. Visit the beaches of Deauville or Normandy for a seaside escape. Just a short trip from Paris, these coastal destinations provide a refreshing break from the city's hustle and bustle. Autumn paints the city in hues of gold and crimson, creating a picturesque backdrop for leisurely walks and cozy cafe visits. The crisp air and falling leaves add a touch of romance to the city's already enchanting ambiance. Indulge in seasonal treats like roasted chestnuts and vin chaud, a warm, spiced wine. These comforting delights are perfect for enjoying as you explore the city's autumnal beauty. Celebrate Halloween at Disneyland Paris for a spooky and festive experience. The park transforms with eerie decorations and themed events, making it a fun destination for families and thrill-seekers alike. Winter casts a magical spell over Paris, with twinkling lights adorning the streets and Christmas markets filling the air with holiday cheer. The city becomes a winter wonderland, perfect for festive celebrations. Go ice skating at the Eiffel Tower, warm up with a cup of hot chocolate, or browse the stalls at the Christmas markets for unique gifts and souvenirs. The festive atmosphere and the joy of the season make winter in Paris truly unforgettable. Au revoir, Paris. Until next time, as your Parisian adventure comes to an end, you'll leave with a heart full of memories and a longing to return. Paris has a way of captivating the soul, leaving an indelible mark on all who visit. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, culinary delights, and romantic ambiance, Paris is a city that truly has it all. Remember to embrace the Parisian spirit, savor every moment, and allow yourself to get lost in the city's charm. Whether you're strolling along the Seine, sipping coffee at a sidewalk cafe, or admiring the twinkling lights of the Eiffel Tower, Paris will stay with you long after you've said au revoir. Until next time, Paris.